Hi friends, Adam Thompson coming to you as always from Focal Point of Minnesota's world headquarters in lovely, suddenly overcast and blustery Plymouth, Minnesota. Happy Friday, hope you are having a great day. Earlier in the week I put a blog post up about a book called The Power of Moments, which I'm reading right now, and I wanted to talk a little more about it this afternoon because it is profound. It is having an impact on how I see things and how I'm approaching my business and what I do on a daily basis, frankly. This is by Chip and Dan Heath, the same guys who wrote Switch and wrote Made to Stick. And the basic premise of this book is that it looks at why certain experiences, certain moments in our lives have great meaning, have great impact, resonate, seem to change us and seem to stick with us in our lives. And what do those things look like? And more importantly, from a business standpoint, how can an organization, a business, a company, a leader take those moments and recognize them and amplify them and multiply them in order to better the lives and better the experiences of their teams, their employees, their vendors, their customers, their clients, and anyone who has a relationship with those people and those companies. One thing they talk about in the book is that many of these moments are social in nature. Moments happen around shared connection, around things that we experience in a social environment or as a group, and why those social moments do tend to have those impacts. And what they found is that oftentimes the reason they are impactful and the ways that they can be multiplied and created by companies is because they share a couple of traits. They are synchronized. They're organized. They are events that happen on a coordinated basis. They don't happen in a vacuum. They typically have some type of struggle or some work that needs to get done. There's some involvement in rolling up one's sleeves and doing something to move something forward. And then finally, there's that shared connection, oftentimes around a greater purpose, around a vision, around a goal, around a cause that unites and rallies these people together and builds that bond and builds that connection and makes that moment. Think about political rallies. Think about a great sales conference or a great big work conference that you've been to that was impactful. Think about 5Ks, things like the Tough Mudder. They all have these pieces. They are organized. They start and stop at a certain time. They're choreographed and coordinated. You go where you're supposed to go. You do what you're supposed to do. You have to work as a team. They do have work involved. You get done with a rally, and now you're sent out in groups, canvassing the neighborhood, getting out the vote, signing up people, registering people. If you are doing a Tough Mudder, you are working as a team to overcome obstacles, physical obstacles, to reach that finish line and that goal. And there's certainly that common cause. If we're all at a political rally together, it's because we believe in what that candidate has to say. If we're doing a race, we're running a 5K, it's oftentimes to support a charity that means something to us. If you're at a great work event, if you're at a great sales conference or a big rally for your company, it's generally rallying around a shared goal, a shared vision for what the company can be and how that vision can impact the world in a better place. We all have the power to create these moments as business owners, as business leaders, as people that can make a difference, as professionals. We have the ability to create these moments and create these events that cause connection and cause purpose and cause that impact for our people, for our vendors, for our customers. And we certainly have the ability to get involved with them on a personal, individual basis. Which brings me to my segue. If you're looking for an event, if you're looking for a way to connect, if you're looking for a way to rally around a cause, come to the Bash for Brains tomorrow out in Woodbury, www.bashforbrains.com. Support the fight to end and find a cure for Alzheimer's. There's connection there. There's certainly a cause there. The only struggle you'll have is whether or not to get seconds or thirds of barbecued pulled pork and barbecued chicken from our friends at Red Cow and Smokin' Pit Patriots. Would love to see you there. If you can't make that, come to the Walk to End Alzheimer's 2 weeks from now, Saturday the 28th at Target Field. Let's walk, let's rally, let's raise awareness, let's raise funds to end Alzheimer's. I hope to see you this weekend. I hope to see you tomorrow. If you have questions about either event, send me a message, send me a text, comment below. If you want to talk more about how to create more moments in your business, let's have a conversation. Share this out, like it, tell more people about the video, tell more people about the event. Let's come for a common cause. Let's raise some money. Let's build some connection. And let's have a moment. Have a great week. Have a great Friday. And I'll talk to you soon.